Hi everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to upload business expenses to your BrushHand Business Costings Dashboard. Now this is if you are wishing to import expenses of other softwares such as Xero or MyOb. So I'm going to show you how to import those today into BrushHand. To start off with, we need to ensure that the mapping from those systems is suitable to BrushHand. So when you download your CSV file from your accounting software, it should look like this. So we have a date field here, which is necessary for BrushHand. And then across the first row, we've got all of our categories, and the second row, we've got all our dollar values, which I've input as 1 for the purpose of this video today. So once you ensure that the mapping of that file is correct, we're going to jump into BrushHand and we're going to go to our Business Costings Dashboard. From here down the bottom, you'll see a More Options button. I'm going to select that and click Import. From the Imports page, we can select the file from our computer. So I'm going to open that file that I just showed you, and it's going to bring you to this page, which is essentially letting you know what columns are listed in the form, and you get to choose which fields within BrushHand that those columns go into. So you can see it's mapped some for us because the names match exactly, and it's left us others to fill in ourselves. But of course we have to check each of these fields to make sure they're going into the correct section. So for the date field, I'm going to select, so for the date column, I'm going to select the date field. I'm happy with these are correct. For accounting fees, I'm then going to find that from this drop down, and it'll let you know if it's been selected yet or not. So here we have accounting and bookkeeping. I've now selected that. We have banking fees, so I'm going to find this one next. Happy with all of these. Insurance. Now BrushHand has insurance broken down into categories, like vehicle insurance, personal, workers' compensation. So I'm just going to put this into business insurance. Now we have vehicle expenses. So now once you've filled it out, it should look like this. I had 2 extra columns within the spreadsheet that I downloaded, so I'm going to ignore those. But now that we're happy with all the fields that the columns are going into with BrushHand, I'm going to exit out of this screen and I'm going to select Import. From here, to tell you that the data has been imported, and we can go back to the application to find our new entry. You will see the new entry has now appeared here. So I'm going to jump into this to make sure it's mapped properly. I'm going to select Edit. The date and time is correct. And I'm just checking off the figures that they have come across properly. You'll notice that the totals are still blank. So I'm going to go down the bottom here and hit Calculate. Make sure that these totals are correct and hit Update. And now that that import is successfully mapped and imported into BrushHand, you can see we've got some changes in our graph here. Now this is a demo profile, so it's looking very bare, but this is how you import data from your accounting software into BrushHand's Business Costings Dashboard. Thanks for watching.